Hi friends, it's me, Mrs. Becker, with some math. You ready to be some mathematicians and count to 20? Count 20 things and see how many different items we can get to count to 20. So I pulled out some things that I know you should all have at home. In your math kit, you should have gotten these chips, you should have gotten these Unifix cubes, these bears. I think some of you should have markers or crayons. And we haven't used these much, but you should still have some of these shapes that you either have already punched out, or if you haven't, punch some of them out. You know, just a few. We're going to start counting some big numbers. I'm going to set these to the side. So these are some things I know you have at home. If you can't find these things, you could use spoons, you could use shoes, you could use socks, you could use Legos, other things that you have at home. All right, we're just going to try to get some things to 20. I'm going to take a handful of markers. I'm going to take a handful of chips. I'm just going to put them on my tray. I'm going to take a handful of Unifix cubes. And a few bears, just with my hands, just kind of grabbing them. And that's it. That's it. On my board, let me see. My markers won't stay rolled on, will they? There they are. I have my dry erase marker too. So I don't even know if I have to count those markers. I'm going to look at them. I'm going to think about it, and I'm going to say, hey, that's 3. I already know that's 3 without even counting. I'm going to write a little 3 next to that. I might need to count my chips because I'm not sure how many this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 chips. And here's what a 6 looks like. I wonder how many Unifix cubes I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 Unifix cubes, and that's what a 7 looks like. There's bears again. There's not too many there. I can look at those, I can think about it, and I can say it. That's 3 bears without even counting them. You guys, I wonder how many items we have all together. Do you think we can do it? Let's do this. I'm going to use a pointer. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 items on my board. A 19 is a 1 and a 9. Well, look, I'll even circle it. All together, I have 19 things. That's a lot. Do you guys think you guys can do this at home and see if you can count up to some big numbers at home? I'm going to try that again with you. This time, I'm not going to do markers because they rolled off. I'm going to grab a handful of these items, these little shapes, and a handful of Unifix cubes, and a handful of bears. And, I'm just going to do 1 chip. I know that's 1. I don't even need to count that 1, do I? We know it's 1, so I'm going to make a 1 there. Let's see how many shapes I pulled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes. And here's a 6. How many cubes did I pull? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I pulled 8 Unifix cubes. How many bears? I'm not sure. I think I need to count that. That number they look a little too much for me to look, think, and say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's what a 5 looks like. All right, guys, are you ready to see how many items we have all together? Let's see. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I didn't even mean to do 20 exactly. A 20 is a 2 and a 0. We have 20 items all together. So do you guys think you can do that at home and come up with bigger numbers to count with your bears, your Unifix cubes, your shapes? I think you can. All right, you guys have super fun with that. And we will see you next time. Bye, mathematicians.